behind the Barden Bellas.
Diba? Saka it's giving hypnotic, meditative sounds.
It's giving all the energy.
Correct. It's giving the cosmos, the stars, the
Yeah.
gods, and the goddesses.
Yes. It's giving kinetic
Yes, I love it.
and locomotion.
Everything. It's giving everything and also taking everything. I love it.
Thank you, next. Eme.
So, I'm sure maraming tao nagtataka bakit tayo magkatabi ngayon.
Oo. At saka bakit parang ang ano natin, ang kalmado?
Banayad.
Oo.
Banayad tayo ngayon. And that
Correct.
is because this is our last episode, guys. So we just want to say our goodbyes. It has been quite the journey.
Yeah. After 8-9 episodes.
Yeah. Because wala naman talagang dalawang bading that stay friends eh.
Correct.
Yeah.
Lahat din sila ay nag-unfriend
Correct.
at nagkaka-unfollowan sa isa't isa.
At lahat naghihilahan pababa.
Correct.
Yes.
Eme lang po, wala pong ganon sa
Wala.
Dog Show Divas.
Correct. So,
Opo.
actually, kaya tayo nandito because, you know, a lot of people have been asking us, kailan daw tayo magkakaroon ng guest?
Correct.
Ang tagal kasi mag-reply ni Ariana Grande.
Oo.
Parang
At
girl,
saka
ano
ni Anastasia.
Correct. Saka ni RuPaul.
Tsaka ni Ropa. I mean, ni Ropa Gutierrez.
Ni
Tsaka-
Rafa Gutierrez. So, okay, we're here because we have a guest. So, finally, we are doing an episode with a guest. But this is extra special because, syempre, dun muna tayo sa like really, really important people that really can give you valuable information.
Yeah, valuable information that na hindi mo nakikita sa ingredients list ng shampoo and conditioner na iyong tinitignan kung ikaw ay nagbabawas.
Correct.
Pero ito ay talagang tunay na impormasyon lamang. Serbisyong totoo po ang ating special guest for today.
TV!
Oras.
Sabi nila, ang tagal. Sino ba yung guest na yan?
Oo.
Sandali lang.
Eto na po.
Okay. So, we've invited here, she is Sarah Salcedo. She is a Reiki practitioner, a healer. She has personally changed my life when I did a number of consultations with her noong 2019. But now, I was looking for, sabi ko like, I've always wanted to do an episode on like astrology, a little bit of healing, and also explain ano yung meron sa stars, kung bakit ganito. So please welcome to the show, Sarah Salcedo.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Makoy.
Hi.
First of all, bakit ka pumayag?
Kasi ikaw.
Ayun!
Hi! Doon natin talaga napapatunayan na iba po ang star power ng isang Baus Rufo.
Grabe naman. But first of all, thank you for saying yes. I explained very little as to like what we want to happen, but I promise to take good care of you the same way you have taken good care of my life.
Ay, kasi since 2019 no?
Yeah, so also like quick background lang. So, I was trying to move to a new role sa advertising. I got an offer. Tipong, am I gonna take this? Then I was asking for signs and eventually parang napagtanto namin, okay, I think this is the right next step. But that was from a past life. So we are here to talk about our current lives.
Correct.
So again, si Sarah is a Reiki healer, astrologer. She also does tarot readings.
She's also a teacher.
A teacher, yes. But for now, binigay ko kasi kay Sarah yung ating birth chart.
The chart of birth.
Correct.
Yeah.
Diba? Ang kapatid ni date of birth.
Correct.
Okay? So, para malaman natin, bakit
Yeah.
tayo ganito?
Yeah, para malaman natin kung bakit kami naging bading at bakit kami nagdodog-showan sa isa't isa.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay, so simulan natin, Sarah. Magbato-bato topic tayo.
sige.
Yung mananalo,
Nako.
yung mananalo ang magde-decide kung sino yung unang babasahin.
Okay.
Bato, pick. Nalo ka. Sino unang babasahin?
O sige, ikaw muna.
Ay,
Ikaw muna because you are a fire sign.
okay. O sige. Okay.
Sige, anong tanong mo? Bao?
I guess start tayo this year. So the year is about to come to a close. So I guess it's a very nice opportunity to see if there are certain themes that are kind of in line with this and like what else to look forward to in everything.
Got that. Okay. So, Baos, what you need to know is from April and May this year, your career and your long distance travel or your big publishing aspect of your life, it has really boosted. It will continue until 2026, mid next year.
Oh, wow.
So kung hindi mo pa nakikita, dapat alam mo siya. Na you
Okay.
can maximize how you nurture other people through your gift of speaking, also through what happened to you in your whole life. You can use it to teach others. Kasi natural kang nurturer.
Wow.
See, as
Isa
a
kang-
mom,
Isa kang mom.
isa kang mom. So,
Oo.
mga milk endorsements dyan, you know who to call.
YF. Alam mo yun na.
S26. Oh, diba? Okay.
Yun, so that's one. And another thing that you need to know is last 2023, you had a major shakeup in terms of long-term commitment and maybe love life. And you've learned from that. Okay, and now you're ready to begin anew. But your focus is on career and sharing your message to the world, sharing your love to the world. Pero hindi siya madali for you. Yung
Oh yeah, it is
pagiging-
like giving birth to a new child every day.
Exactly.
Mhm.
So meron kang dynamic of being the mommy and also being the boss.
Oo. Bossy siya eh.
Wow, thank you!
Dami lang. Hindi, I mean, ganun naman dynamic,
Correct,
diba?
correct.
Oo,
Okay,
oo.
okay. Oh.
Pero bossy ka din.
Ay, ayan!
Yeah, may pagka. Oo,
Oo.
later.
Pareho kayo.
Later.
Okay, okay. Oo.
Okay.
Tapos next year, what you need to know, wait lang, in 7 days, by the way, in 7 days, you
oh
will
my God,
have
the
a
ring.
major,
Charing. Oh.
you will have a major, 5 to 7 days actually, you will have parang, I feel so beautiful, I feel so good, I feel so adored by the universe.
Oh my God.
5 to 7 days, you'll see it. Because the sun is lining up with your ascendant in Libra. Ang ibig sabihin lang nun, beauty, balance, luxury, maybe romance, is lighting up your life. In the area of self, how you're presenting to the world, how you're showing up in your body.
I love that. I mean, it makes a lot of sense. Sorry, medyo magiging ano na to, crossover ng Kaya Pa Ba at Dog Show Divas. But I definitely, I can affirm, confirm, validate, I think everything you've said. I mean, of course, Dog Show Divas has been such a gift to me. And I think it has been a result of all the relationships I've nurtured, everything I've kind of trained for as a comedian, as a host, as a producer. It all kind of just lined up to this podcast. So talagang wow.
Yeah.
Although by the time this airs, tapos na yung 5 to 7 days.
Oo.
So, kung feeling nyo sobrang ganda ko by the time this airs, it's because of her. Kung feeling nyo hindi na ako maganda, well, that is because of me.
And then, can I dog show diva this also? I think that's really the rejuve.
The rejuve.
That's the rejuve. The
Rejuve
5 to
talaga.
7 days.
Correct.
Oo.
Diba?
See your skin glow in 5 to 7 days.
Okay.
Oo.
Yun. Sige. Tapos siguro mamaya tayo dun sa mga sun rising, moon, whatever. Pero gusto ko,
Sige.
punta naman tayo kay... Anong tanong mo? Nagtanong na ako eh.
Ano ba yung tinanong mo nga?
Kung may right med ba nito?
Ako ang tatanungin ko, kung nakakasiguro ba kung ang gamot ay laging bago. Charot lang. Hindi, yun din. Kung ano yung tinanong ni Baus. What is in line in
The year
next,
so far
Yeah,
and
in the
ano yung-
year. Oo. Parang a preview or
Okay.
what can you
Sige.
see?
So before we move forward, we backtrack.
Ay,
Okay. So from January 2025 all the way to July 2026, what is revamping in your life, McCoy, is long-term commitment, love life versus who you are. Sino ba talaga ako? What is my evolving identity? There's so much happening in your mind, in your body, in what you know as home. Okay, and who you feel is home.
ay.
And this is a call to surrender. And surrender doesn't mean giving up. It just means I know that there's something that's really for me, but I must dissolve my expectations
Ay.
of what should be. Ganon.
Alam mo what can help you surrender?
Oh.
Poppers Manila.
Poppers Manila, please help me surrender the tightness in my heart. Kaya okay, may kailangan akong i-surrender. Okay.
Mukhang sumusurrender ka naman. Kung if you feel good, if you feel like, okay, I'm really changing and flowing with the disruptions in long-term commitments and in partnerships.
Okay, okay. Pero hindi, wala naman akong problema with my partner right now. Okay naman
So,
kami.
ibig sabihin, nag-evolve.
Nag-e-evolve.
Nag-evolve.
Okay, okay.
It doesn't just mean partners.
Ah.
It can be anything and anyone whom you are committed to.
Okay, gets.
So, it can be personal, it can be professional.
Alright. Clear. Sa bagay, I agree. Kasi meron akong frustration.
Okay.
It's still a frustration. to be an
I
actor.
know.
Pero hindi nangyayari. So parang feeling ko kailangan ko na siyang i-let go.
Well, I mean, I'm not the expert here, pero parang
Oo.
feeling ko, baka let go of maybe holding on too tightly to it because I think it's still on its way to find you.
Okay, sige. Magpapaka-Elsa muna tayo ngayon. Let it go muna.
Let it go.
And then hahanapin natin ang snow. Okay.
Correct.
But the thing is, McCoy, so I can scan the chart, but I can also scan dates up ahead.
Mhm.
In 1.5 years, you will have a major upgrade to your career. So whether that's acting or something else, it's gonna be really good if you are listening to the signs already this year.
Mm.
And the reason why I'm saying that is because Uranus has entered Gemini. That's your career sector.
Mhm.
And what that just means is Uranus is parang the great disruptor, the great upgrade planet. So, pumasok na siya sa career and long-term, long-distance publishing, long-distance travel, big publishing aspect of your life. So, ibig sabihin, may mga ideas na, may mga malalaking changes na pumapasok sa buhay mo, sa career area and publishing.
Love it.
And if you're listening to the signs, in 1.5 to 2 years, you'll see this. And in terms of your acting, there's gonna be a really good and parang like, wow, it's a miracle, mid-2029.
Ah,
So medyo matagal pa, pero anyway.
Eri lang. Baka kailangan yun ng gay daddy role. Di ba? Baklang tatay. Pang MMFF.
Oh my God, gumawa tayo ng sketch na mag-asawa tayo, Modern Family.
Correct. Ako na si Cam.
Ako na
Yung attorney.
Oo, si...
Oo.
Oh my God. Sinong Lily natin?
Si Kay.
Si Kay. Yung aming producer.
Oo,
Or
yung aming producer.
sinong showbiz
Ang
ang ating magiging anak sa Modern Family.
siguro sa showbiz, it should be...
Kambal sila. Yung sino yung bet mo sa'yo.
Yung anak ni Mami Oni, si Tyronia.
Tapos siguro ang twin niya will be played
Mami
by...
Meiko. Mami Meiko Montefalco, gusto mo? Tsare! Okay. Going back to the charts tayo.
Okay,
Sarah.
sige. Okay, so yun siya. Okay, so of course when before this you asked me date of birth, year, and the place and time.
Yes.
Bakit yun lagi yung mga tinatanong ng astrologers or for birth charts and even for like online quizzes? Diba?
Yeah.
Bakit yun yung tinatanong lagi?
It's based on the idea that when you were born, a specific time, at a specific place, the planets were lined up a specific way.
It's like Neptune because Pisces, Neptune ang aming planet,
Ruling
diba?
planet,
Ruling
yes.
planet. What's the ruling planet of
Anong
Aries?
ruling planet ng Aries?
Mars.
Mars.
Ay, kaya ka bakla.
Kaya ka bakla.
Kasi Mars ka.
Correct. At kaya ako aggressive kasi Mars attacks.
Oo. Pero alam mo, in fairness to me, hindi ako, kahit Neptune ako, hindi ako Nepo baby.
Fine.
Kasi Nep.
Diba?
Tune. Oh,
But you like
self-made.
to take a nap.
Oh.
Okay.
Ah.
Okay, so yun yung nangyayari. Nagde-line up yung planets and that determines basically a number of things, 'di ba?
Yes.
Ano yung mga sun rising, sun
Oh, yeah.
sign, mga ganon.
So your sun sign, Baus, is, si Makoy muna, your sun sign is Pisces, as you know. What you may not know is that it's in your 6th and 7th house. What that means is your light will shine brightest when you're serving others, when you're getting involved with other people romantically or professionally, and you're helping parang light up people's lives.
Meralco. Kaya wala pa akong Meralco endorsement.
Kaya ka nga actually nagganito kasi malapit na sa kulay ng Meralco yung suot mo.
Correct. Opo.
May ganon.
And when you turn 28, 29, just a few years ago, nasabi ko yun.
Yeah.
When you turn 28 or 29, that was your Saturn return. What that means is you confirmed a life purpose. You confirmed something that is about giving to others, but also giving to you. So think about that. When you turn 28 or 29, may na-confirm. May nag-dissolve, pero meron ding na-confirm for you. It was around the pandemic.
I can attest, yes. That's very true, Sarah. Kasi pandemic changed my life. Nagbago talaga, Baus.
Oo naman, alam ko naman yung kwento niya.
Totoo. Alam ni Baus yan. Kasi isa lamang po akong simpleng mamamayan ng bansa. Yeah, works 9 to 9
To
a.m. to 9 p.m. Minsan 2 a.m. sa advertising. And then it changed in just a TikTok video. Pero yeah, nagulat ako. Ayun.
So based on that, know that the upgrades that are happening in your life until 2029 and 2030 is super blessed. If you listen to the signs
Okay,
coming
I will
from
listen.
It's giving love and light.
I will listen to you. I will listen to
Listen
you.
to you.
And listen to you also.
Diba?
Oo.
Listen, by Beyonce.
Yeah.
I know!
Dream Girls!
Dream Girls!
Kakaroon na po ng Dream Girls.
Oh, correct.
Oo.
Tapos ang nakakaaliw, pareho kayo na your son is in 6th and 7th house. Ang ibig sabihin lang nun, pareho kayong lighting up other people's lives.
Alam mo,
Ay.
Meralco endorsement pero tayong dalawa.
Oo, tama.
Pero ikaw, Aries, sun,
Aha.
so si Makoy parang creative, ganyan, imaginative. Ikaw naman, push. Let's make it happen. Let's pioneer this. Ganon.
Ganun naman siya talaga. Oo.
Pero
Parang
palabas,
may bit-bit ka doon sa ganun
Oo,
naman siya
oo.
talaga.
At gawin na, gandi kasi knowing him for 5 years, let's go. Push na yan. Ganun siya eh.
Yeah.
Oo.
And the reason why you're friends is because your Venus is in Aries. What you love is Aries energy.
Correct. Totoo yan.
As long as you bind yourself with Aries energy, you will always succeed.
Mm.
Okay? That's what you have to know. And ikaw naman, natural na Aries ka. Okay? Natural na Aries ka. At kapag dumikit ka sa mga tao na nakatulad ni Makoy, nababalance yung energy mo.
Ang galing. Ako yung isda.
Diba?
Oo.
Ako yung mangingisda.
Correct.
Yes.
Totoo.
Grabe.
Ang galing.
I love it.
Pero ako, I wanna ask lang
Go.
if I may. How about the general consensus of the zodiac signs? Kasi ako, I really know myself as a Pisces person. I'm really sensitive and I'm very emotional and I can sense other people's emotion. Kilala ko kung sino yung true. So,
Yeah.
talaga bang natural na drive ang Aries and Pisces or let's say ang Scorpio at ang mga Aries, mga Leo, ganyan?
Correct.
You know why you're very sensitive, Makoy?
Mhm.
Ang dami mong planets in water.
Ah.
Mamasa-masa.
Oo, ano pala ako? Isa pala akong para pala akong yung mga planeta ko pala laging basa.
Correct.
Maraming water component.
Nag-water.
Oo.
Your mind is Pisces. Your passionate, sexual, and sexual energy and your drive is in Cancer. So,
Ay,
so
oo,
basta pag ambitious ka, ibig sabihin, it's out of nurturing. It's out of wanting to care for others. And that's where your fortune lies, by the way. When you're caring for other people, when you're really saying, I want to serve this way.
Mm.
Ganyan, to take care of others, that's where miracles, fortune, opportunities will come to you.
Ay, I love it. Thank you for that. How about kay Baus kaya?
Oh my God.
Anong ang mga mo? May water placement ka kaya?
Ang dami.
Actually, kasi parang feeling ko, parang sometimes I get so paralyzed by ambition, but also when it is combined, it's also met with a lot of emotion lagi. So parang feeling ko, like wala nangyayari kasi parang I wanna charge forward, but then there's also this big tidal wave na tipong, but X number of things have to be considered and wag na lang natin gawin.
I love that you're saying that kasi even if you don't know your chart, you'll see your passion and ambition, Sun and Mercury is in Aries. Push.
Yeah.
And when it is involved with other people, partners, long-term commitments, ganyan, professional partners. But there's this square, the red line you'll see, to Cancer. I'm scared. I'm just a baby. Or I need nurturing. I want to nurture, but I also need nurturing. Your moon, your Mars, your Chiron, that's your greatest wound. And your natural self is Cancer.
Wow.
Nurturing, mommy, home.
Isa talaga akong ganap na ina.
Wait, so
Kailangan
yung
hindi magbangga.
Ah.
Hindi kailangan magbaga. Sasabihin mo, dahil passionate ako, pwede kong dalhin sa pag-aalaga ng ibang tao. Kahit na masakit para sa akin. Kasi yung masakit para sa akin, nakakahilom ng puso ko at ng puso ng ibang tao.
That's the exact kind of like sentiment. I wanna go for something, pero parang ang sakit pag binigay ko. But then I have to rechannel that into something else. So it's the So the wound has a purpose. That's what I'm hearing.
Your
To
wound
actually
is what
like
heals others.
like repurpose that, rechannel that into something.
Yes.
Wow.
Grabe, no? Ang dami kong natutunan
Diba?
with Miss Sarah.
Correct. Nakakaloka. Siguro before we go lang, very quickly, kasi lagi namin minimension dito yung mga chakras.
Oh, yeah, oo.
Ano yung, like, kunyari, ano ba yung, ano yung mga chakras na yan, and what do they represent in terms of like, what is very active or what is more formed than the other chakras?
So, because you've mentioned the chakras, think of them as emotional centers. So, when you think about well-being, you have your physical well-being, but you also have your emotional and mental well-being. So, those are your chakras. Right now, the strongest chakra that you have is your third eye.
My
So,
third
vision.
eye.
Not seeing ghosts.
Okay.
Sino
But
po yung
you're-
nasa likod nyo?
Vision, daydreaming, imagination, ganyan. Your strongest energy center or chakra right now, Makoy, is your solar plexus, stomach, power, confidence, charisma.
Motoring.
Motoring.
Automotive.
Diba? Automatic
At hindi ko alam
transmission.
at hindi ko alam kung sinadya mo, naka-yellow ka. Yellow is the solar plexus chakra.
It's giving solar energy.
Diba? Alam mo yun ang drag name mo. Please welcome to the stage, Solar Plexus. Oh.
Hello, sons
And daughters.
and daughters. Grabe, nakakatuwa. Pero last na, before
Go.
we say bye-bye to Miss Sarah. Pero sa akin po ba financially, okay lang po ba ako? Hindi naman, I mean sa nakikita nyo, hindi naman po ba ako masyadong, parang kailangan ko bang maghinay-hinay, ganyan.
Financially.
Kasi yan ang kinakatakot ko lag. Kasi naramdaman ko na yung dumating na ako sa stage na maging zero. Maging zero talaga in life.
Okay.
So I don't want to experience that again sana.
So what? That's a recent traumatic experience?
Not recent,
Pero
but
because-
in my siguro in the past 10 years.
Wow.
Oo, talagang isang kahig, isang tuka level.
You reached it, you experienced it during the pandemic.
Yes.
And if you understood it during the pandemic, what to do and what not to do, you can move forward and
Okay.
away from it.
Okay.
So, in a sense, the worst has happened already, Makoy.
Alright. Sige. So, bibiling ko na yung prelude. Yung Honda prelude, bibiling ko na po. Pero after that, stop na po ako. Kasi ikaw naman, I know you want something also.
Yeah, I want. Actually, I guess because we're here already. I've never really wanted to buy a home because I think the whole idea of a home is, I don't know, growing up queer, parang feeling ko that was never really in the cards for me. But because of certain relationships and things that I value now, parang it leads me to parang I want to buy a home. And I feel like that's not just the actual physical home, but what it is symbolic of, I feel like is what I am trying to meditate on.
On or before the end of 2027, you will either already make a down payment or you will decide to make it happen. And the reason I'm saying this is because there's this thing called the North Node. And your highest potential, the highest path that your future can take you is really towards home. Okay? And my invitation for you is to let yourself daydream and listen to your feelings.
Daydream by Mariah, Listen by Beyonce.
Yes.
I love it. Icons
Ay,
talaga.
icons, yeah.
Oh my God! Thank you very, very
Thank you,
much.
Sarah!
I appreciate it. Ang galing.
I know. So, I'm sure marami tayong mga listeners, viewers, watchers, and constituents na talagang
Yes.
naintriga
Oo.
sa ibinahagi ni
Miss Sarah.
Miss Sarah. I mean, this woman really, really helped me during a very crucial time about 6-7 years ago, and I feel like I can attribute kind of like the abundance and success that I'm feeling right now to those things, to those sessions that we had. So really, thank you so much. But where can people find you?
Yes, please.
Is the most important thing. Pagkaperahan mo sila, hindi pwedeng na-entertain
Oo,
lang sila. No?
ganon.
Pagkakitaan mo yung mga hinayupak na DDS na yan.
Oo. Please share your socials or channels.
If you'd like to follow me, if you'd like to get readings or energy healing, you can find me on Facebook, Sarah Samantha Salcedo, or on Instagram, Spark Soul Wellness.
Ayan.
Thank you.
Mark Soul Wellness. Thank you so much, Sarah.
Thank
so
you.
fun!
Yes, thank you. Thank you for giving us the signs.
Correct.
By Ace of Base.
Correct. And on that note, we're going to take a quick break and then we will process everything that was just downloaded to us.
Yes, we will process like Pampanga's best. Uga.
Nakakauga.
Nakakauga, nakaka-enlighten.
Nakaka-enlighten. Nakakatuwa na kaya pala tayo magka-jive because cosmically, energetically, medyo itinakda ang friendship na ito.
Itinakda ang friendship na ito. It's like giving X-Men.
Correct.
Yeah. I am Scarlet Witch and you are the Phoenix.
Correct. And together, we will...
Dominate the Marvel Cinematic Universe.
Correct.
Pero hindi pala tayo si Psylocke.
Oo, nakakatuwa lang. So, actually guys, during the break, ang dami nang gustong magpa-consult kay Sarah.
Correct.
Na parang ako, sana pala nagbigay ako ng affiliate link. Kasi 4 agad dito sa crew natin ang gusto mag-avail.
Oo. Ano ang magiging code kung ikaw ay magkakaroon ng affiliate code?
Mother Bows.
Sa bagay, you're nurturing.
Diba? Kanina nakuha ko like yung pagiging nurturing at pagiging ina ko.
Oo.
I guess slowly but surely, I have kind of softened to the world na now. But alam mo naman ako si Aries, like, let's go. Pero parang feeling ko, pwede naman pagsabayin.
Oo.
Ikaw, ano yung bago mong parang napulot doon na ikaw ay ano?
Ako, ang natutunan ko dito, I need to be confident with myself. Kasi I'm very doubtful eh. Very doubtful ako talaga. At saka nung sinabi niya na na kaya naman daw, sabi ko, sige, bibili na ako ng car.
Akala ko na sinabing kaya naman daw yung acting career. Hindi, yung car talaga yung
car
inisip
talaga
mo.
yung inisip. Hindi kasi yung acting career, alam ko naman darating yan. Kung merong producer na gusto, diba?
Alam mo, i-produce na natin yung short film or sketch idea na parang calling card mo sa acting. Total, mahilig ka sa sasakyan. What if isa kang driver ng Colorum UV Express na meron kang girlfriend at boyfriend at the same time?
At sila ay reseller ng Rejuve set. Diba?
Anong title ng movie na yon?
Regenerative Rejuvenation. Part 1.
Diba?
Kasi part 5 po ito.
Correct.
Ito po ang tatalo sa Shake, Rattle, and Roll. Oh my God! Alam kong tapos na ang Halloween.
Correct. Oo.
Do you think Shake, Rattle, and Roll is an iconic horror film?
Oo naman. It's so, because I think no movie na ganun kadaming sequels ang hindi iconic. Sobrang iconic niya.
Oo, no?
Diba? It has launched a lot of careers as well.
Yes, totoo yan.
Diba?
At saka it has launched a lot of monsters also.
Correct.
Like yung diba, yung ano ba to? Yung aswang sa loob ng ref?
Oo,
Tama ba
si
yun?
Frigidaire.
Frigidaire.
Meron ka din yung si Undine, yung sa kubeta.
Yes.
Oh.
Pero sa akin, ang pinaka-iconic for me, medyo recent na ito, mga early 2000s, ang pagtili ni Icy Mendoza sa LRT.
Diba? It's giving wang-wang.
It's giving wang-wang.
It's giving busina.
It's giving busina and it's giving pikabaklaan.
Correct. It's giving baklang hindi nagpoppers kaya napasigaw ng
Grabe yun, nakakatakot yung movie na yun. Pero before we delve into horror movies, ano yung mga naging magical moments for you in your life?
I think definitely just quitting corporate and pursuing a creative career.
Correct.
I think I consider that to be a very magical moment. Parang sinabi mo kanina, di ba dati trabahador lang tayo from 9 a.m. to 2 a.m. And ngayon, we get to be budding for a living at binabayaran tayo maging bakla for a living.
Correct.
I think that is magical. Kasi 'di ba parang may mga kanya-kanya tayong showbiz dreams before and parts of it nagagawa natin now. We have a podcast, we do comedy. Ikaw, ano mga key magical moments in your life recently?
Siguro, ang masasabi ko dyan, yung masustain natin yung ganitong type of life. Kasi hindi biro maging freelance, ha?
Correct.
Oo.
Naalala ko nung first year ko of freelancing,
yung
diba? First year, parang, kailan po dadating yung bayad?
Kailan po yung yung cheque?
What do you mean babayaran nyo lang kami in products?
Ex-deal po. Charing lang.
Diba?
Yeah, pwede naman yun.
Oo.
Oo. So, okay lang naman yung mga ganyan. Pero that would be the magical moment.
Correct.
To be able to wake up every day.
Diba? Sabi nga ng Evanescence, wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Save me!
At sinabi rin po yan ng ating Green Day na Wake Me Up When September Ends.
Diba?
Oh my God, speaking of September, I know that's almost 2 months ago.
Away.
Ago. What is it about the Burr months na pinaka nilook forward mo?
Pahinga. Pahinga yung pinaka-look forward.
Pahinga.
Kasi, alam mo to, pag mga hosting season, content creation, pag Burr months, trabahong kalabaw, hataw,
Correct.
kuratsa malali.
Kuratsa malali.
Pero pag like patapos na, yung pahinga after that, parang feel ko yung bakasyon na yun.
Yung bakasyon.
Kasi tipong grabe, tinadtad tayo ng the last 3 months. Finally, makakabakasyon na tayo.
Oh my God, speaking of bakasyon, what is your top destination pag nagbabakasyon?
Saan pa ba?
Ano?
Di New York.
New York.
Walang kamatayan.
Oo, you're very New York.
Walang kamatayang
Oo.
New York. Oo.
So, are you more of a Manhattan or
a Brooklyn girl.
A Brooklyn girl?
I'm a Manhattan girl.
Talaga?
Life's like a little basic. Well, kasi nga, I see a lot of Broadway shows. So, dapat sa Manhattan. Medyo
Okay.
mahal. Kaya
Oo.
kailangan nating kumayo.
Totoo.
And,
Basta happy ka naman, di ba?
happy naman ako. I mean, if you have cars, I have New York.
That's fine. Kasi ako gusto ko nakaka-drive ako ng magandang sasakyan.
Correct.
Ikaw nakakapunta ka sa magandang bansa. Eh, go ahead.
Correct.
Diba?
Now, speaking of magical moments, dahil yun na nga ang tinatry natin gawing through line or theme here,
Yeah.
I want to talk about really magical moments in pop culture.
Oh yeah,
Siguro
of
nung
course.
mga batang
I
bakla
like
pa
that.
tayo.
Yeah.
Unahin ko na is nung inuga ako ng When You Believe ni Mariah Carey at Whitney Houston.
Oh my God, that music video, 2 icons, 'di ba? Pop culture icons, not just in the United States but all over the world.
Correct.
'Di ba? Prince of Persia realness.
Correct. Nakakaloka yung song na yun. Siguro
Correct.
dalawang diva icons. Tapos ang ganda-ganda ng soundtrack. Feeling ko, kailangan nating i-perform to, i-lip-sync to.
There can be miracle.
When
Ganon.
you
You
believe,
believe.
oh, hope is frail. It's hard to keep.
Oh, Whitney Houston, 'di ba? Another iconic and magical moment for me in pop culture is nung naghalikan po si Madonna at Britney Spears sa MTV Asia. Not MTV Asia but
Video Music
Video
Awards.
Music Awards.
Grabe
po
yun.
ito.
Nauga ako noon. Buti lang wala pang term na trending at social media.
Wala
but
pa.
it was everywhere.
Oo. Ito po talaga ang nagbigay pugay sa Subaru
Correct.
para maging iconic na sasakyan ng mga tomboy.
Oo. Pag i-recreate natin yung mga iconic moments, yung kunyari, dalawang divas ngayon nakakanta ng When You Believe. Sino ang mag-recreate niyan? No options off the table, Pwedeng Pinoy, pwedeng Amerikano,
Yeah.
pwedeng...
For me, I would give the first role to I'll give the first role to Pooh.
Yeah.
Sino yung isa?
Siguro yung isa ko si Kiray.
Kiray Celis.
Kiray Celis.
Ganda. Nakikita mo, di
Diba?
ba? There can be a miracle when you buy this.
Oh, diba? Bebenta ka niya ng mga...
Bebenta ka ni Kiray Celis, di ba?
Oh.
Kasi beauty empire na ngayon si ate mong Kiray.
Tapos ang maganda rin kay Pooh talagang When You Believe kasi 'di ba, ang dami na rin yung pinagdaanan sa buhay niya at there can be miracles.
There can be miracles na kaya po niyang hindi rin i-impersonate si Manny Pacquiao. Correct.
'Di ba?
Another thing, iconic moment is ang ate Regine Velasquez natin noong siya ay kumanta noong New Millennium.
Yes. Oo, na nung Countdown to the Millennium sa Ayala.
Correct.
'Di ba?
Sa Peninsula.
Peninsula.
Mm-mm.
'Di ba? It's giving Ayala intersection ng Makati Ave.
It's giving conglomerate.
It's giving ipasara lahat ng kalsada para kay Ate Reg.
It's giving ipasara lahat ng kalsada because capitalism is booming. Correct.
Oh my God, naalala mo nung magmi-millennium na, yung idea ng millennium bug? Yung lahat daw
Totoo.
ng computer, hindi nagagana. And
Oo.
then, I don't know.
And yung Y2K virus,
Correct.
na sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, ang Y2K ay hindi lamang virus pero isa pong chichirya rin. Diba, do you remember
Yes.
the Y2K chichirya? Diba, na tigpipiso tapos pag inom mo, vetchin.
I love it.
Diba?
Diba?
Monosodium glutamate realness.
Diba? Monosodium glutamate.
Mhm.
She is such an icon.
When we hear the word amyl nitrate,
Yeah.
what's the magical moment for you?
When I hear amyl nitrate, it is giving me parang a lot of danger,
Mhm.
a lot of pleasure,
Yes.
but ultimately a character building activity.
It's a character building activity that exudes openness.
Openness
Yeah.
and collaboration.
And relaxation.
I love it.
Grabe yun.
Amyl nitrate.
Amyl nitrate wherever you are.
Mabuhay ka.
Thank you
Thank you.
for bringing joy to our lives.
Yes.
Eme lang. Another magical moment is, syempre, Baus, di ba? Yung mga tinitignan natin sa computer class natin ng mga websites.
Oh, correct.
Do you remember SFOGs?
S-Fogs? Ano yung S-Fogs?
sfogs.com. Yan yung website na pupuntahan mo pag gusto mo makakita ng mga ghost. Wala ba kayong Minesweeper sa computer?
Oh my God, Minesweeper.
Mm.
Such an iconic game.
Such an iconic.
Never ko naintindihan nung paano ba yung Minesweeper? Ano ba yung principle nung game na yun?
Ang alam ko lang, pagtatabihin mo lang yung mga bombs.
Oh.
And then, parang sudoku siya eh. Hindi ko rin maintindihan eh.
Oo.
Pero syempre, yung yung 3D pinball, yung gumaganong ganon.
Oo, parang
Iconic,
pachinko something.
Iconic din yun eh.
Oh my God, speaking of mga games, ano mga nilalaro mo sa time zone nung bata ka?
Oh my God, syempre, Initial D. Ay, hindi, yung Midnight Club keme. Midnight Run keme.
Ako, Dance Dance Revolution.
Yung ganyan-ganyanan. Alam mo, hindi ko magets yung Dance Revo na
Grabe,
yan.
parang hinusgahan mo ko doon
Hindi, my dear. Kasi parang yun, follow ko lang yung arrow.
Oo.
Gusto ko yung gumaganong-ganon lang ako sa arcade. Pero, ano yung nagustuhan mo dyan sa Dance Revo na yan?
I think it was kasi nung time na Dance Revo, ito yung kasagsagan ni Britney, ni Christina, Lady Marmalade. So parang yung na-feed sa akin na creative inspiration from MTV na ilalabas ko sa
correct.
napakabaklang video game sa PlayStation.
Correct.
Tapos may dance pad pa, yun yung tinitiklop mo,
Oo.
tapos
Igaganon
mo. Tapos pag yung kamag-anak nyo pupunta sa bahay nyo on a weekend, pagmamayabang mo na meron kayong ganun.
Totoo yan.
Diba?
Yun yung magandang game na ilako or i-offer sa mga pinsan mo
Correct.
kapag pupunta sila sa house.
It's giving team building.
It's giving team building with collaboration.
Correct. And also family drama.
Correct. Kasi pag hindi mo na follow yung arrow,
Pag-uusapan ka.
oo, tignan mo naman tong si Baus, hindi na naman inano yung arrow.
Oh my God.
Ganon.
Dahil bare months na rin and we are on the topic of families.
Mhm.
Ang hirap din ng mga family reunions the older you get, no?
Yes, indeed. Totoo.
Kasi parang it's so hard to be able to relate to them even more because may mga kanya-kanya na kayong ganap.
Totoo. At saka, alam mo, yung family reunions na yan, ungkatan din yan ng past eh.
Nga.
Oo. Tsaka trauma dumping. Oo, ungkatan ng trauma po ito.
Correct,
Oo.
diba?
Are you a fan of family reunions pag bare months?
Hindi masyado.
Ako rin hindi.
For me, it's very stressful.
Ah.
Kasi feeling ko rin, dahil sa trabaho natin, we get to be social for a living. Hosting and comedy. Parang feeling ko right now, pag I'm not working, I just want to be with a small group of people.
Oo.
Ganun lang. And then, ang dami mong kailangan i-entertain and then like nakakapagod ngumiti
Oo.
sa mga kwento na naalala mo yung ganun, parang hindi mo naman talaga naalala yung
Oo.
pinagkwento sa'yo ng tita mo, diba?
So I guess ang mga kailangan alisin kapag family reunions, ano ang mga food na kailangan alisin kapag family reunions?
Yung lumpia. Tanggalin na. Kasi pag may lumpia dyan, walang uuwi. Gusto ko umuwi na silang lahat.
Oo. I think kailangan na rin ninyong itigil ang paghahanda ng relleno. kapag family reunion, hindi po lahat ng tao ay gusto ng pasas.
Can I just stop you there? Because I actually love relleno.
Oh my God. Sorry. Talaga?
Friendship over na ba tayo?
O hindi. I like relleno.
Pero I agree na kailangan walang pasas ng relleno.
Oo. Embutido I like also.
With pasas, without.
With pasas.
So ano ang relationship mo with pasas? Why do you have a very arbitrary relationship with pasas?
Kasi when my mom before, nung nagtatrabaho siya sa hotel, meron siyang access sa kitchen.
Okay.
So, yung mga sun-dried raisins Keme na brand, nakakapag-uwi siya ng ganun sa akin. Oo. Kaya, pagka gutom ako, magpasas ka muna. Oo.
Ganun yung relationship.
Ganun ang relationship ko with pasas.
Ako naman, may mga certain food items na talagang nakadictate yung experience mo doon nung bata ka. Like ako, patatim na may banana blossoms, hindi ko siya gusto. I know ang specific. Nagagalit pa yung producer namin. Bakit
Grabe
daw?
ka! Okay.
I don't know why, because I think pag nagre-request ako sa nanay ko na parang, oy, fried chicken naman. Nung bata ako siguro mga 7, 8 years old. Fried chicken naman. Or para maiba, wag namang like piniritong isda, maiba naman on a Friday.
Oo.
Kasi usually tinatanong niya ako anong gusto ko.
Oo.
Tapos pag hindi nasusunod, ang ginagawa niyang Band-Aid solution, patatim with banana blossom. So parang for me, it is a symbol of my parents disappointing me.
Oh my God. How about humba? Do you like humba?
I like humba
Mhm.
because of, again, an experience that I have nung childhood. Yung merong potluck sa elementary school.
Oo.
Tapos sabi ng tatay ko, magdadala daw kami ng humba. Tapos tinulungan ko siyang lutuin. So parang meron siyang happy memories sa akin. Ikaw,
I
anong
see.
memory mo sa humba?
Basta puro taba. Yun yung memory ko. Tapos pinapapilit sa aking ubusin kasi mahal
siya.
Mahal siya, that part of pork, 'di ba? Mahal siya. Now, speaking of family reunion, I'm sure meron mga kontrabida diyan.
So, sa amin ako.
Ikaw ang kontrabida.
Hindi mababait naman sa amin, to
Okay.
be fair. Usually yung pinag-uusapan naman madalas, wala naman sila sa reunion.
Tama.
So we try to keep it a safe space
Yeah.
to talk smack.
Pag ang mga bakla nagre-reunion,
Ayan na.
ano ang usual topic and what is the usual go-to place na pinupuntahan? Kasi I'm sure hindi yan pupunta ng top floor ng Rockwell condo or in Serendra.
Feeling ko ang topic pinag-uusapan ng mga bakla kapag reunion, of course, sino na naman yung masyadong maingay sa social media.
Ay,
Laging
oo,
ganon.
correct.
Na parang, it is a very interesting conversation because I think it's always, what else are you gonna do as queer people?
Correct.
We only have ourselves. So, give mo na sa kanya yan. Kung
Oo.
nagmamaganda siya, kung puro siya thirst trap, kung marami siyang kadate, if he is hanging out with people that is far from his age, it's actually fine.
Oo. At saka yung mga bakla na nagte-thirst trap, hayaan nyo na sila.
Hayaan nyo na sila.
Diba? Hindi naman nila kayo sinasaktan.
Correct.
Oo.
Diba? Give nyo na sa kanila yan.
Oo. Kaya nga tinawag dyan, love and light. Sabi nga ni Sarah kanina, if you show joy to the world, the Lord has come.
Let earth receive her king.
Yeah. Kaya
Well,
Alan King, we're a fan.
Correct. Tapa King, we're a fan.
Oh my God. Tapa King.
Tapa King.
Sorry.
Oh my God. We have to talk about Tapa King.
You've opened...
Sorry alam
Okay.
niyo ba guys, yung producer sa amin, lagi na kami sinasabihan kanina,
Oo.
wag naming ganunin yung
Oo.
table.
Sorry.
Pero kasi sobrang passionate namin eh. So wala kayong magagawa.
Okay.
Okay?
You've opened a door of...
Pandora's box.
a Pandora's box
Yes.
and a eureka moment
Correct.
about yung mga food stalls na nakikita natin sa basement ng
Correct.
Landmark.
Correct, 'di ba? I am the same way that I talked about Dunkin' Donuts a few weeks ago. I am going to express my unpaid love for Tapa King because this is not sponsored. But guess what? I might as well be their endorser after saying this.
Oh my God. Ako go ako dyan.
Okay.
Pero ako I loved Sisig Hooray.
Sisigure ka.
Alam mo, sobrang intricate po ng proseso na ginagawa ng Sisig
Correct.
Hooray.
Nilalagay nila yan sa isang Tupperware na may, go, i-demo mo.
Okay. Eto, stage 1. May stage yan eh.
Correct. Parang grief.
Nakabalandra sa'yo.
Correct.
Nakabalandra sa'yo. Number 2, mamimili ka kung chicken or pork.
Correct. Which is a hard question to answer.
Hard question to answer, but pork will always be the answer. Doon tayo sa papatay sa atin.
Correct.
Oo. Heart attack is the number 1 killer of Filipinos.
Next to
Ah,
chismis.
Chismis and poppers. Charot. Next is, ilalagay sa Tupperware. Ilalagay ng mga ano. Tapos igaganon. And then ilalagay sa microwave.
Diba? Naglagay sila ng plastic sa microwave.
Naglagay ng plastic sa microwave. Only a sisig hooray clerk can do that.
Correct.
Walang gumagawa. 7-Eleven, hindi na ginagawa yan.
Diba?
Mini-stop, no.
Diba?
Which is Uncle John's na ngayon.
Correct.
Tapos yan, isuserve na sa'yo.
Diba? Mainit, sobra.
Mainit. Tapos pagkasubo mo, may lip gloss ka na.
Correct. Parang buchi.
Parang buchi.
Oo.
Pero ang sarap.
Sobrang, I love chicken sisig ng Sisig Hooray. Pero yung tapaking lang talaga. Guys, if it has taken you some time, since huli kayong kumain sa tapaking, this is your sign to try it again. They have upped their game in the last few years. Tapaking is my go-to grab food delivery choice. After every show, kapag like umuwi ako ng 12 midnight or 1 a.m., it is always tapaking extra meat na may kasamang small order ng pinakbet
Wow.
at merong small order ng tokwat tapa.
Ang sarap.
Yun yung panamat nila, pangtapat nila sa tokwat baboy. Ang tokwat tapa ng Tapa King will save your life and your marriage.
Ang sarap naman nun. Parang nagutom naman ako dyan.
Diba?
Pero can I just share also that one of my favorite food stalls sa loob ng supermarket, syempre, Pauchi, nabanggit na natin
Correct.
yan, di ba?
Sana bati na tayo ni
Oo.
Mr. Paolo
Oo.
Chibog.
Mr. Paolo Chibog, we would like to apologize. Charot. I really like Razon's halo-halo.
Oh my God.
My God.
Grabe.
Puro saging lang yon
At kaunting makapuno.
at kaunting makapuno. At syempre, ang kapitapitagang gatas.
At leche flan.
Leche flan. Pero girl, nakakabusog pa din.
Sobra. It's giving diabetes who?
Yeah.
Diba?
Mapapatawag ka sa metformin
Diba?
at sa atorvastatin.
Diba?
Pero eto, ang palabok ng rasons. Bakit naman ganyan? Charing lang. Hindi, di ba parang kung ano ang singtamis ng halo-halo ng razons of guagua, ay siya rin namang pakidagdagan naman ng konting asin.
Oo, at
ang
kaunting-
palabok.
At kaunting kulay.
Ang konting
Kasi
kulay.
mas manilaw-nilaw pa yung damit mo kaysa ata
Totoo.
sa palabok ng razons.
Totoo. Pero masarap naman din.
Masarap.
Oo.
Diba?
Diba? Sa siopaw, Kowloon House!
Kowloon
Oh my
House.
God.
Dahil ako ay madalas mag-stand up sa most matalino in QC sa baba ng isang Kowloon House. Yan ang go-to naming mga komedyante. Siomay, chicken feet, siopaw ng Kowloon House.
Ang laki ng siomay ng Kowloon House.
Actually, medyo nakakatakot sa laki yung siomay nila. Diba?
Ang laki.
Oo. Alam mo, maraming tao nagsasabi na for some reason, our episodes always end up in siomay.
Bakit naman hindi?
Correct.
Siomay is the equalizer.
Correct.
Food equalizer po yan.
'Di ba? So, feeling ko meron tayong kailangan gawing special episode na i-side by side natin lahat ng siomay.
Yeah.
Chowking,
Siomay King.
Henlin,
Kowloon House.
Siomay House,
Oo. Luchi.
Luchi, 'di ba?
Oo.
Diyos ko, kung meron po kayong gustong ipa-discover sa amin na feeling nyo kakabog sa lahat ng alam naming siomay, wag nyo na po silang i-introduce sa amin. Maawa na po kayo dahil siomay lang po ang alam naming kain.
Correct. Now, since we've mentioned siomay, now let's talk about the afternoon snacks na talaga namang iconic din sa ating mga Pilipino.
I will start with turon.
Of course, turon, talagang alam yan ng lahat.
Correct.
Pero merong isang, na-offend ako Kasi
Oh.
meron isang kakilala ko.
Oh.
Sinabi ko sa kanya, sabi ko talaga, nagkikrave ako sa binatog.
Oh.
Friend, sabi niya sa akin, what's binatog? How dare you po?
'Di ba?
Na hindi kilalanin ang binatog.
Which is practically corn pudding.
Corn pudding na ang sarap-sarap kapag maraming kondensada.
Correct. Oh my God. Speaking of relationship with food, meron akong very kind of traumatic story about kondensada because I used to be a fat kid. To the point na lagi akong pinapagalitan ng tatay ko dati kapag sobra na yung kinakain ko.
Okay.
Merong isang time na grabe yung sweet tooth ko. Merong nakabukas na Alaska kondensada sa bahay
Oh my God.
na laging akong pinagbabawalan na kainin yun. And then one time, kinuha ko yung Alaska kondensada. Nagtago ako sa likod ng pintuan ng kwarto nila. Kinakain ko doon. Tapos nahuli ako ng tatay ko.
Oh my God. Ano nangyari?
Hindi pinagalitan ako.
Alam mo, okay lang yon. Kasi ako meron din akong secret relationship with kondensada.
Speak on that.
Gardenia bread.
Oh my God.
Gardenia wheat bread. Bubuksan ko ang aming induction cooker. Kawali, paiinitin, ito toast doon. Hanggang sa mag-brown. Kondensada.
Oh my God.
Pagpatungin. Sarap.
Diabetes.
Diabetes. Carbs on carbs on carbs.
It's giving Regina George Caltine bars.
Totoo.
Diba?
Wait, speaking of Mean Girls. Okay.
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Okay, Mean Girls.
First of all,
Mean Girls is my favorite movie.
It's
One
my
of my favorite movies.
I think it might just be my favorite movie of all time. And nakwento ko to sa podcast nung Kaya Pa Ba very first episode last year na doon kita unang nakilala sa Mean Girls parody. I think that was your first major viral moment. Tama
yes,
ba?
yes. Oo, yung ganda ka.
Pak! Ganda ng pulseras.
Saan galing? Okay, let's talk about Mean Girls. Baus, you are the director and producer. I am giving you 100 million budget to produce.
Okay.
The Mean Girls Philippine adaptation. Who is your Regina George?
Elizabeth Oropesa.
Utang inang ganda. Elizabeth Oropesa as Regina George is really an iconic role. Kasi tang ina yung nunal lang eh. Tapos lahat.
Tapos lahat.
Sino ang KD Heron?
Of course, ang KD Heron. Sino lang ba ang kayang magpabuli at eventually ibubuli si Elizabeth Oropesa? No one else but Maha Salvador.
Maha Salvador. Now,
Sabihin niya, Regina!
oo. Oh my God, I love it. Doon sa friends ni KD Heron.
Correct.
Diba?
Si Karen.
Si Karen.
Saka
and
si That's So Fetch.
Si That's So Fetch. Hindi, yung dalawa. Yung
Sorry.
guy.
Si Damian at si Janice.
I will give Damian to Vandolph.
I love it. And I will give Janice to Janice de Belen.
Ganda. Vandolph, Janice de Belen. Si That's So Fetch, let's give it to Alma Moreno.
Alma Moreno. And then si Karen.
Ay, no. Si Karen, let's give it to Alma Moreno.
Si Karen, si Alma Moreno. And then si That's So Fetch. I think we should just give it to Marian Rivera.
Ganda.
For the first time, no? Parang si Marian, hindi alpha yung role niya.
Oo.
Diba?
Oo, bigyan natin siya ng role na hindi pang alpha.
Diba? Yung,
Oo.
diba? Para makita ng buong mundo, gaano siya kagaling na actress.
Oo. And I think fit yung role ni Karen kay yung
Kay Marian,
naano
yung boobs niya.
Ay, hindi. Sorry. Sino yung naano yung boobs nga?
Si Karen yun. Si Alma
Karen,
Moreno.
Si Alma Moreno. Kasi, pag tinanong, 'di ba? Kunwari pumunta si Alma Moreno sa sa Arby's.
Correct.
Or let's say sa In-N-Out Burger.
Correct.
Oo. For here, no. For Vandolph.
Correct.
Ganda nun.
Grabe. First of all, another magical moment. I mean, a magical trending moment. We're not gonna delve on it too much, but that Alma Moreno interview with Karen Davila.
Yeah. Oo. Ang ganda nun.
Ayun, panoorin nyo na lang kung ano
Panoorin
yun.
niyo po yun.
Kasi we just wanna keep it safe here.
Yeah. Pero in fairness to Miss Alma, talagang prinomote niya ang paggamit ng contraceptives.
Ng pills.
Oo.
Dasal lang.
Oo.
At pills.
Yes.
Diba?
So, doon mo makikita yung non-separation of church and state.
Diba?
Non-separation yung nangyari doon.
Correct. First of all, separation pay.
Yeah. Separation pay.
Separation pay. The concept of
Separation pay.
sasampalin ka ng pera, huwag ka lang magpakita sa work the following day.
Totoo yan. At saka yung tipong, salamat sa serbisyo mo ha. Eto yung pera.
Alis ka na.
Grabe, no?
Grabe. Ang sakit.
Do you think kailangan ba nating dagdagan ang benefit
of the doubt, yes.
Oo.
Kailangan nating dagdagan ng separation pain.
Kailangan natin dagdagan ng separation pain.
Kailangan ba maglagay dyan ng mental health toll?
Mhm.
'Di ba? Kasi hindi like ibang level ma-reject.
Oo.
Ibang level na all of a sudden wala ka ng trabaho.
Totoo yan.
'Di ba?
Ako, ang ano ko lang talaga dyan, bakit pag nag-a-apply kami ng trabaho, tas kung hindi nyo kami i-hire, bakit hindi kayo nag-i-email back sa amin?
Correct. Bakit?
Diba?
Kahit anong follow-up namin.
Sobrang dog show nun eh.
Oo. Tapos yung mag-i-email sila na they went with another candidate already after 4 months.
Totoo. Bakit ganun? Kailangan talaga patagalin natin ng 3 months.
Janine, what is happening? Janine Olga Salvacion,
Oo.
HR.
Oo.
Do better.
Babawi sila, don't worry.
Well, I hope they do.
Oo, babawi sila because our next is the iconic places kung saan ito ay melting pot ng ating mga kabaro sa LGBT.
Correct.
Now, I would just like to share that Cafe Havana is really the catalyst of cultural exchange in the Philippines.
Of diplomatic affairs.
Yeah. That
Emphasis on affairs.
DFA is not located in Asiana, not located in Rojas Boulevard, but in Cafe Havana Greenbelt.
Correct.
Nawala.
Yun talaga.
Oo, yun talaga.
Nawala. Nandun pa, right? Or
nawala na, nag-renovate
nawala
ang
na.
Greenbelt.
Correct. Kasi yung Cafe Havana ngayon is Wildflower na ba?
Oo, parang
or
Wildflower.
something like
basta
that.
ganon.
Again, Wildflower always saves the day.
Yeah. The Vietnamese latte saves the day.
Correct.
Pero Cafe Havana really paved the way. Talagang they walked.
They walked.
Ganon.
At ang Cafe Havana ang nagsabing ang maging island souvenir should be worn with pride.
Totoo. Kahit crepe lang ang i-order mo sa Cafe Havana,
You've made it.
you've made it. Okay ka na.
Oh my God, crepe ng Cafe Breton, yung butter.
Yeah, Cafe Breton.
Cafe Breton, yung sugar and butter lang.
Yeah, that's Cafe Breton, not Havana.
Iba,
Iba pa yun.
Hindi, magkatabi sila.
Magkatabi sila eh.
Yung
Oo.
Breton, I think, andun pa. We might
The Breton, oo.
Cafe Breton.
The crepe of Cafe Breton.
Diba?
Yung plain crepe,
Yun na yun eh.
okay na eh.
It's giving yung creation mo nung bata kang gardenia and condensed milk.
Correct. Yun na yun eh.
Yun na yun
diba? Nagpa-practice kang gumawa ng pancake,
Correct.
tapos ginanong-ganon mo, crepe.
Crepe. Diba? Nung bata ka, diba? Anong tawag dyan? Makoy, anong tawag dyan sa ginawa mo dyan?
Crepe.
Tapos sabi nila, bakla.
Oo. Tapos Cafe Americano, solve na.
Solve na, girl.
Oo. Pero sa ating mga Becks, ano pa ang mga melting pot places for us?
I think, of course, maraming bading na makikita sa Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Diba?
Starbucks Fame Mall Branch. Charing lang, eme lang.
I think more than that, and this might be a little too earnest and hindi siya dog show of an answer, but I'm so happy na fewer and fewer places are go-to places for gay people because more and more establishments are welcoming us.
Yeah.
Nakakatuwa yun, di ba?
Totoo.
Na parang we are everywhere kasi dati naaalala lang tayo ng mga tao kapag kailangan nila ng choreographer sa Christmas party number.
Correct.
Di ba?
Nag-ano na, talagang nagda-diversify na.
Correct.
Kumbaga yung pie chart, hindi lang
Correct.
siya 3.
Kipay chart na siya.
Oo. Dumadami na, nagiging 8.
Nagiging walo.
Siyam, 10.
Correct. Diba? Kaya ako talaga, ang goal ko for better representation, talagang everybody welcoming queer people. Kapag eventually, pag ang pinagpapantasyahan na ng mga tricycle driver ay mga drag queen, that's when I know we've made it.
Totoo yan. Kunwari may tricycle driver sa Cogeo, no?
Tas fan na fan ni Tita Baby.
Oo, or di kaya tayo na ni Brigiding
diba?
Ang galing
Sarap
Ang galing niya nung drag race
diba? Ganun.
Ganon. Oh my God, talking about drag race, let's discuss very quickly if I'm going to
Go ahead.
to ask you, ano yung lip sync for your life song na gustong-gusto mong i-perform sana kung magiging drag queen tayong dalawa?
Alam mo, gustong-gusto kong i-perform yung Ama Kabugera ni Maymay Entrata. Pinerform na yun ni Brigiding at ni Minty Fresh. Pero sobrang ganda nung song. Pwede naman mag-ulit ng lip-sync song eh. Diba? Lalakad na, la beauty queen.
Grabe,
Kanta ko'y
no?
magniningning.
Alam mo, nakakatuwa yung Ama Kabugera na kanta na yan. Kasi sino mag-aakala na ang isang technical computer school ay may
Correct.
kakayahan na mag-produce ng song?
Diba?
Diba?
AMA College.
AMA College.
Ama Kabugera, Ama Liar.
Amalayer.
Diba? Ano pa ba? Ama ka na akla.
Ama ka na akla.
Diba? Lahat yan inimbento ng AMA
Oo.
College.
Pero ako last na siguro, kung magkakaroon tayo ng chance maging drag queen, I want to perform sana the Nobody's Supposed to Be Here remix by
Thunderpuss Remix.
The Thunderpuss remix.
Diba?
Ang ganda nun. Baklang-bakla po yan. Pakinggan niyo po
Standing
yan.
here.
How did you get here? Dun, 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 dun. Nobody's supposed to be here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ganda.
First of all, Deborah Cox.
Deborah Cox. Yeah.
I've always wanted to use the term Cox in my life. And freaking Deborah did it, girl.
The only acceptable Cox. C-O-X.
Diba?
Last, before we end our program, judges na pwede nating ipalit sa current judges ng RuPaul's.
We love Drag Race Philippines now.
Yeah, Drag Race Philippines.
Diba? We love Drag Race Philippines now. We're not asking people to be replaced.
Yeah.
But if you are going to consider some names, I think
The dog show way,
the dog show way, I think kailangan nating maglagay dyan ng names sa options.
Laila de Lima.
Oh my God.
Kailangan mo ng justice when
Yeah.
you are performing a
Yeah.
lip sync for your life.
Correct. Because you
Diba?
need to serve face and justice.
Face, justice, legality.
Correct. Pablatter mo
Oo.
sila.
Prosecution. Kailangan mo yan.
Diba?
Next for me would be,
Ako, Rufa May Quinto.
yeah, kailangan. Kailangan
Kailangan.
staple.
Hello, Queens.
Oo.
Ano na?
Oo.
Diba?
Yes. I like your performance.
Alam mo,
Yes.
do you like it? I like it.
Oo, ang ganda. Gusto ko yan. Tama
Diba? Pwede siya
yan.
doon. Ang dami pa natin pwede idagdag. Sino pa?
Odette Can.
Odette Can.
Ba't ganyan?
If nobody can,
Odette
Odette
Can.
Can.
Kunwari, after mag-perform ni Brigading,
oh.
anong pinapatunayan mo? Ganon.
Diba?
And last but not the least,
Last but not the least.
Mind Meld.
3,
2, 1.
1.
Chiron Cuneta.
Tapos gano'n na siya lagi sabihin niya.
May eliminate ka
Ay,
today.
Sabi nila, tonight, 5 na lang kayo. After ng lip sync for your life, kayo ay magiging
Hi, Kiko.
Thank you ko. Diba?
Sakay na.
Good luck at dapat pakak.
Oh my God. Okay, sorry. May naalala ko about Miss Sharon Cuneta. I love her. Security Bank.
Security Bank.
Have you watched that commercial?
Yes.
5, 4, 3, 2. Hard work, dedication. Alam mo yon?
Yeah.
Formula for fame and fortune. Performance. Todo. Pero ang pinaka-iconic, Super Fairy.
I mean, sakay na. Saka yung lumilipad siya.
Oo. Di ba?
I mean, guys, wala pang Marvel Cinematic Universe post-production quality ng
Correct.
panahon na yon. But Super Fairy and Sharon Cuneta made it happen because she could do...
Di ba?
Diba?
Barko ang ine-endorse mo.
Oo.
Tapos lumilipad ka.
Mm-mm.
'Di ba? Parang contradicting.
Diba?
Pero nagawa ni Miss Sharon Cuneta.
I mean, kanina pa tayo yung ginagawa. Baka may mga tao kasi hindi alam kung ano.
Oo.
Ito po yung context ng ginagawa namin. So, sa The Voice,
Oo.
merong isang nag-audition. We are going there. We are explaining this thing.
Go ahead.
We are going there,
Before
mama.
we say bye-bye.
Merong kumanta ng Chandelier.
Mm-mm.
Eh, di ba ang lyrics ng Chandelier? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. So, si ate mo, Sharon, mathematician.
Arithmetic.
Sabi niya, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Gumanon siya. Gumanon si Miss Shawi.
Sabi niya,
Oo.
So, parang, I love it. A mathematical queen.
Mathematical queen, but also, siya po ang papalit kay Confucius.
Correct.
Because after po, maybe after 100 years, yung mga pusa po na nakikita
Correct.
yung ganyan, si Miss Shawi na po yun. Gumagana na po si Miss Shawi. Okay, and that ends our show. Thank you. Miss Sharon Cuneta, hello to you and Sir Kiko.
Hi,
Yeah.
Sharon.
Hi, Sharon.
Yan, and hello.